Cybersecurity and project management. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, cybersecurity has become an essential aspect of project management. With the increasing prevalence of digital transformations and remote work, the need to protect sensitive project data and information from cyber threats has never been greater. Why is cybersecurity important in project management? Cybersecurity plays a crucial role in project management for several key reasons. Firstly, in an era where data breaches and cyber attacks are on the rise, protecting sensitive project information is essential to safeguarding the success of a project. A security breach can not only compromise sensitive data but also disrupt project timelines and deliverables, leading to potentially costly setbacks. What are the implications of not prioritizing cybersecurity in project management? A security breach can result in the loss of sensitive project data, damage to the reputation of the project team or organization, and even legal implications. In addition, the cost of recovering from a cyber attack can be significant, both in terms of financial resources and time. Furthermore, a cybersecurity incident can disrupt project workflows and collaboration, leading to delays in project delivery and impacting overall project success. How can project managers enhance cybersecurity in project management? To enhance cybersecurity in project management, project managers can take several proactive steps to minimize the risk of cyber threats. Firstly, conducting regular security assessments and audits can help identify potential vulnerabilities in project systems and processes. By addressing these vulnerabilities promptly, project managers can strengthen the overall security posture of the project. Conclusion. In conclusion, cybersecurity is an indispensable aspect of project management in the digital age. By prioritizing cybersecurity and implementing proactive measures to protect project information, project managers can safeguard the success of their projects and mitigate the risk of cyber threats. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, ensuring robust cybersecurity measures in project management will be key to delivering successful projects in an increasingly connected world.